Good afternoon. It's good evening. You're eager, ready to go for tomorrow. Look at you, Mr. Hopey Hopewell. Oh, yes, indeed. It's going to be a good Mojo show tonight. Thanks for attending and being with the Moj. Going to do some Sunday night show. I think I got my candle right there. I can do a little burn. A little burn on Sunday night right there. There you go. Went out. Got a nice little agenda for you this evening. Some nice topics. Bitcoin. 10,000. We got... What else we got? We got market updates for the week. Some swing updates, some testimonials, some MOJO Day Trading. Got some new things on the MOJO site to show you. Got some things on Twitter to show you. So without hesitation, let me jump over to my main screen and see what I got going on. Let me open up a little browser of Yahoo. And we got a little Yahoo tonight. That's what we got on the Yahoo tonight. Alrighty. I gotta make sure this is coming in syncing. Browser of Yahoo. There we go. It is nice. Coming in okay. So what's going on, Mr. Richard, Mr. Dusty, Pan, PP? What's going on this evening? Absolutely. Stock futures are a little unchanged. A lot of earnings coming out. Yes, many of my swing picks this evening are earnings related for sure. Many of them. Oh, look, there's Kyle. He made $2.8 million trading stocks at home part-time. You know that? Kyle right there. There's his picture. So happy. Wouldn't you be happy like that if you made $2.8 million trading stock part-time at home? It's not his money, though. It's other people's money. See, let me show you. See, when you click on the ad and you scroll to the bottom and you look at the disclaimer, look. Let me show you. Let me block that. So if you look at the disclaimer and you scroll down to the very last bottom of it, where is it? If you don't agree, you shouldn't sign up. But it says right here that he's trading on behalf of Raging Bull. See, that it doesn't really say it on there, but if you get his newsletter right here, like Nathan, here's one of the guys. He started out. Here's another guy right there. Another guy right there. He's the chief head honcho of it. You got another guy right there. Where's Kyle? Kyle. So many. Damon John. Kyle. Whoop. Kyle. Here, join Kyle before midnight. So here's the Kyle action. You scroll on the bottom and it says right here. Let me move my camera. It says, also be aware that owners, employees, and writers of Raging Bull may have long and short positions in the securities discussed on this website, but all positions held for such representatives' own account. Past results not indicated. This table is accurate, though not every trade is represented. Profits and losses reported are actual figures from the portfolios Raging Bull manages on behalf of Raging Bull. So that's not Jason's account right there. That's not Kyle's account. It's his account. The guy on the left, Jeff Bishop, the guy who started it all. He's like a Mensa magillionaire. And he gave everybody millions of dollars and said, dude, you show a 20% off these millions I gave you. Show everybody you made 200 grand. And if you don't do it, we won't tell nobody. We'll try it again. And then when you do it, we'll show everyone that statement. You'll be off to the races. Sound good? He said fine. So Jason did it. Penny Pro, he did the same thing. Right here, past results are not indicative. The figures are not actual figures from the portfolio of Jeff Williams he manages on behalf of Raging Bull. Right, says it right here on the bottom. And just FYI, these are, I've been in this business. It's the tour. It's the PGA Tour of golf. Everybody, the whole 120 players, and, the people, you get to know each other. You stand. It's the PGA Tour. It's the tour of day trading. These are one of the guys that's up there all the time, and I know what they do and, how they... oh yeah, had a great hole on 16 and 17, but you freaking chomped it on 1, 2, and 3. We don't hear none of that stuff. None of the bads. Only the goods. So these guys right here on the bottom, past results, though not reported on every trade, profits and losses are actual figures from the portfolios Raging Bull manages on behalf of Raging Bull. So there's Jason, same thing. This table is accurate, though not every trade is represented. Profits are figures of Jason Bond manages on behalf of Raging Bull. Here's Nathan Bear. Nathan Bear, this table is accurate. Profits and losses are actual figures from the portfolios Nathan Bear manages on behalf of Raging Bull. It's all of them. It's like ridiculous. And I get called out because I tell people how it freaking is. What else do I have to do? You do good, I'll point you out. You do bad, I'll pull you out. So here's a poll that I have right here. People think I'm good, man. 278 votes. I'm more than Dave Portney. I'm up to Buffett. So out of 278 votes, I have 29.5%. I have equals 82 people said, dude, I'm, who would you rather run your portfolio? Buffett, Dave Portney, or Pro Trader Mike? It's running. Make your move right there, boys. I'll show you what I do by the end of this show tonight. You tell me if I know more than Dave Portney and if I know as much as Warren Buffett, which is relevant to today's times, not to when he was like, Ooh, DraftKings notification. DraftKings notification. Oh, my phone just turned on. I might have won on DraftKings this week. Look at my line. It's coming up. It's coming up. Up. I claimed 2 crowns. Beautiful. And I won 250. Ooh, I won some money. I won 141. Won 141. Can you believe my lines this week? If I wouldn't have picked this one guy on the bottom down there that got cut out right there, who missed the cut, look at this line. I had Finau in 3rd, Wolf in 12th, English in 18th, Gooch in 18th, and Hogue in 12th. I had about 100 on each of them, and I ended with 497, close to 500 points. If I would have picked that good guy on the bottom that would have scored 100 instead of 18, look what would have happened. The top guy had 635. And he won $1 million. I next to him, he had right here. Let me see. Excuse that. He had, check that baby out. He had Finau. I had Finau. He had Homa. I had Wolf. Very close. He had English. I had English. He had Norin. I had Gooch. Close. He had Howell. I had Hogue. See that? Close. And then the last guy on the bottom, boom, he had Tringali, and I had this Higgs guy. Damn, dude, you know what I'm saying? If I would have had Howell, which I had on 3 or 4 other cards, I would have done good on that card. But I won 141. It was nice. Nice $140 win. Gotta love that. And there you go. That was my DraftKings I'm on the cusp. I know who's going to win next week and do all that. Just like I know my picks before they're going to win. Here's a couple of swing picks that are on the radar of other people's newsletters that I've gotten this evening. Some of my competition. I monitor everyone's. This guy right here put out a couple of mine. E-Man, see it? E-Man. Mogo, which is Mojo. I put it out last week. That's 2 of my picks last week. Arnett, 3 of my picks last week. 4 of my picks last week. 5 of my picks last week. So he basically, in the last 2 weeks that I've put out picks, he's copied them right there. Here's CHFS at 46 cents. He says it's ready to break out. It's at 80 cents. We're already up 100%. MICT at $1 is $3. MICT, $3. Ready to take the next leg up at 324. Here's the comic strip. Oh no, what happened to you? I joined the wrong stock newsletter service. Here's E-Man. It's in play again. Here's my pick at 90 cents. I picked it when it traded 77 million shares. It was up 1,429%. Here's the main on it right here. Let me just get rid of this. So you got some beauties right here. You got the stop line. I'll redraw over this baby. You got the stop line, 99 relative strength, 3 good quarters, 53.8 million, going from a loss of 9 to a loss of 7, 77 million shares, 1,400% increase in its volume heading through $1. E-Man, it's in play again. And right now, E-Man is $1.30. Another one, DPW, Mojo Swing Pick at $1.45 is $2.90 right now, about to go through 3. You got some insider buys right here. Here's my analysis. Play into Mini Hines 150, keep it above, goes 160, 170, keep raising the trail stop, making a spike to 250, then 373. Along with GBTC from 855, it's going to tag along. Volume 1.1 million versus 698. Tiny float, funds 1%, risking a dime to make $1.50. A 15-to-1 risk reward. Earnings coming out on the 15th. DPW, Mini Hines, $1.50. Here's RigNet, RNet at $1.14. People picking that baby right now. 6 new picks just went out this evening, guys. Just hit my inbox. RigNet, $1.14. See it? 426 3 months ago at $1.14. One way up through Mini Hines at $1.14. RNET, you see it right now? RNET. It's on everyone's radar. RigNet at $3.36 right now. $3.36. From $1.14. There's the Mojo Swing Picks. Here's the Mojo newsletter and a short video on how the newsletter works. Here's the Ken Slim course that you get for free when subscribing to the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. So you get all these amazing picks and you get the swing trading course absolutely free. You can learn the system yourself. Definitely. You can get into day trading as well in the MOJO Day Trading chat room, your gateway into stock trading. You know, I've been doing this for 25 years, and here's an example right here of how one chat room moderator, right here, guys, check this baby out. There's a little argument I had on Twit. Guy is down. I took out his name. It had his picture here. It had his handle, which is unnecessary. I didn't have to say anything about it. which means I wasn't pointing anybody out. I was just pointing a fact that this is a chat room moderator that doesn't have team responsibility, that wouldn't shut it off at down 100,000. I took a big loss too. I shut it down, had to contact some institution, say, dude, try to make me back some money. I'll go along. We'll do it together. Try to make back some cash. Still took a loss, nowhere near anything like that. I got stopped out for the day. Stopped. I didn't lose 300. What kind of account you got in the market? I'm sure you take out cash. If you got you can lose 315. You got to have 3 million. If you don't, maybe you have 1 million, which it sounded like, and you lost 30% of the account or even more. You know how hard it is to come back from a loss of $315,000? Have you guys ever out there come back from a loss? Let's say you had a $100,000 account, you lost 30 grand. Have you ever come back? Let's say you had $1 million and you lost 315. Let's say you had a 10 grand account, you lost 3 right there in one day. Have you ever come back? Very rare. You do things and you trade differently. And then you restart and it's a new whole thing. And that's a learning experience. That's what happens to traders. How do I know that? Because I've been in that situation dozens of more times than that person has. I've been trading for 30 years. I allow traders that go through my course and take my training to trade my capital and the firm's capital. Well, how is that possible? The firm wants to give you capital because they know that's not going to happen. If you lose $500 for the day, you're done. If you lose 10%, you're done. You have 10 grand, you lose $1,000, you're done. They stop you, you can't lose any more for the day. That can happen. It's called responsible trading. Could keep you in the game. You know what's going to happen now with that kind of situation? You're going to have to try to regroup and recoup. You know what's going to happen? The best trades are going to come now. And the big money that could be made is going to be missed because of situations where someone can lose $315,000, got stuck in not one, but 2 halts with too many shares on MXC and a brutally skippy action. You shouldn't have done it. Tesla trade after hours was boneheaded and tried to long wash it off HOD, which I've never heard of ever before. I have no idea what that means. And when I said, here's an example of how a chat room moderator, a teacher of trading to others, admits he knows shit and loses not only his whole account, but all the others that blindly follow him. He lost 315 in one day and didn't stop at 100,000. It's a complete schmooroo loser with no system. And they actually had to mention his name. Was called Mad as Football. He shits on you. This guy's made millions. You're a dumbass. I hold a candle to him. Dude, he's a young guy. He doesn't even have a family. He's not even married. He has a Ventador, a Lamborghini. It's leased. He's in trouble. He can't pay the lease now. He's got to wire out funds. He's got too big of a mortgage now. He's got all this shit. He just lost 315, JB. I'm not laugh out loud nothing, dude. His only candle he's doing is he may not be able to pay the electric bills now on all his shit, and he may freaking have to use a candle for some light. He lost $315,000 fucking dollars, dude, in 2 trades. Dumb. And you're calling me a dumbass? That's the funniest thing I've ever fucking heard. So, oh my goodness gracious. How was my day with him? He doesn't say anything about providing How was my day with A-Bus? My day with A-Bus was shitty, dude. I showed her, big deal. Had a shitty day. I lost. Big deal. I shot a 2 under 2 weeks ago. I went out again and I freaking shot like 3 over. I had a terrible round. Big freaking deal. I'm the greatest golfer, dude. I'm the greatest trader. I'll trade head to head against anybody. Put up 100 grand. We'll trade 1,000 shares. We'll see who makes more at the end of the day. Stock's $10 and above. Minimum value, 500,000 shares. There you go. That's the rules. Trade whatever you want. 100 grand. You can use it all for one trade. Max 1,000 shares. I'll trade against anybody and we'll trade. If you're a big shot, we'll go for 10 grand. If you're a small shot, I'll bet you 1,000. It'll be the easiest $1,000 I've ever made. Anybody. Info at MOJO Day Trading. Will live stream just like we are now. I'll share my screen in real time. So will you. And we'll show everybody at the end of the day from 9:30 to 4 o'clock who makes more money off $100,000 and only buying 1,000 shares. Stop loss at 1,000. If you lose 1,000, you're done. You're out for the day. Done. 1,000 shares, $10 and above. I'll pay 2 to 1 off anybody. So you put up 10, I'd pay you 20. You put up 1, I'd pay you 2. You put up 100, I'd pay you 200. But you lose, you pay me 100, 10, or the 1. Bets on, baby. JB. We'll see who holds the candle at the end of the day. Okay? We'll see who holds the candle. 6 more replies. Dude has 4 likes and 0 retweets. Laugh out loud. He pays for fake followers. I normally don't speak up, but I've learned so much in 3 weeks. I've been in your room than I did in the other rooms. I had to say something. He had to, dude, I only have 4 likes and 0 retweets. I have 55.8 thousand followers. Every one of my followers is your follower. So that must mean you're fake. Look. Your followers. He follows me. He follows me. Blocked. Follows me. 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 Blocked. Blocked. Follows me. Follows me. Blocked. Follows me. Blocked. Follows me. Follows me. Blocked. Blocked. There you go, dude. So all your people either right there, I follow. See, and I have 58,000. So I can keep, if you did what I just did, Twitter would stop you from following people because you have a small following and it's hard to grow on Twitter. But all the people that aren't following me yet are going to follow me now because I have 60,000. I can do this for thousands of people. So all the people that I get are traders from you. So you must be fake if all my people are fake because they're all your people. You know what I'm saying? JB and all you other dudes, they're all my people. This guy didn't put his name on there. He did. Look, all his people are my people. Look, 37,000. Look. Follows me, follows me, follows me, follows me. Look, follows me, follows me, follows me, follows me, follows me. Follows me, follow. Follow. All your guys, they all follow me. So all your guys must be fake too. Follows me, follow. You see all the follow me, see? Follows me. Every time I scroll down, I get like 3 or 4 of them. And all the other people are shit. Like Tommy Trader's good. This guy's good. He's good. He's good. See, I only look and I get people that are stock traders. So all the people that get me back are stock traders. He follows me already. Follows me already. See? Part-time trader follows me already. The other guys. Swing pumps. Discord channel. I don't like him. And there you go. Small cap trader. Follow. There you go. So that's this guy, and that's what I do, man. That's what I do. I keep stats. I'm on the course every day. I'm on the leaderboard every day, dude. My challenge is out there, bros. So let me show you my picks. Dow's down 182 to 26,469. S&P's at 20. And the Nasdaq's down 98. They all finished pretty damn low, and they're going lower. Here's E-Man and E-Vol in all my swings. CHFS is up 68%. Castlight's up 38. E-Man's up 36. Bitcoin's up 30. Elevate Credit's up 10. ALJ Regional up 14. RigNet's up 76. And I got 6 new picks going out tonight that already went out. So if you want to join, go ahead. Mojo Swing Trade, 6 new picks are coming out. Let me show you last week's picks. AutoWeb lost 15%. Didn't work. Didn't work on the 720 newsletter. But this one did. INSC for 11. OBLG for 54%. From 295 to 455. DMPI in the same newsletter from 98 to $1.50, 53%. Arlo took a profit on the 21st, 16%. IDXG took a profit on the 21st, 24%. Verb took a profit on the 21st, 131%, held it for 23 days. CTEC, 33%, 44 days. Westel, 40%, 44 days. QMU, 119%, 43 days. Spark Network, 17%, 35 days. Boxel, 177%, 43 days. Orgenetics, 243%, 240%, 105 days. All the yellows are covered calls. Vuzi, 47% this month. Blink, 182% from 250 to 705. AREC, 46% from $1.40 to 205. AYRO from 265 to 705, 166% on a 29-day hold. CXLT lost 8%, and Zedge made 22%. Those are all closed picks for the month of July. Absolutely. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Glad I came across your handle on Twitter. I look forward to signing up. I look forward to getting you aboard, Mr. Sean. You'll get the Swing Trade newsletter. You'll get the MOJO Day Trade chat room as soon as I get your subscription. Oh my goodness gracious, I thought I only said that. Yeah. I have a live trader challenge, dude. I have it going. Any trader, dude. And we'll do it live all day streaming. That challenge is out there, brother. Bitcoin 99.87. Told you a million times. Buy Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin. Told you a million times. Bitcoin's going over 10,000. I told you Ethereum's going through 300. It did. Go down the list. Here you go. Bitcoin Cash going through 250. This one touched 11. It's on the way right here. Touched 11. On Cardano, big winner on Cardano. It touched 11. It's at 14, headed to 20. This one's headed through right now 200. Litecoin through 50. Binance through 20. EOS through 3. Tezos through 3. Stellar is already bouncing around between 9 and 11. Touches 11, it'll catch some steam. Monero's got to touch 80, then it'll sequence up to 100. Tron's on its way to 2 cent. VeChain on its way to 2 cent. Neo touched 11 now. It's on its way to 20. Ethereum's going through 7. It started at 585. It's already up $1. IOTA going through 3. Dash is at 76 now. It's going to touch 80 and really jump like 20% in a day, which will put it at 96. and then a big powerful jump will come of another like 20 or 30% and put it at 135, which is 100% increase from where that coin is right now. That coin, Dash, one of my favorite, the all-time high is $1,642 per coin. Do you know how much Monero's all-time high is? At 78? Only 400. I love Dash. Monero's a privacy coin that you do like illegal stuff with. You're not going to go like to the store and buy like Starbucks or pay for your golf or do anything with Monero. The stores aren't going to be like, yo, I want your Monero. No, they're going to want your Dash. Dash coin. Dash coin. Here's the normal system. I have money right here. Here's the bank. And here's the store. Okay. I spend the money at the store, and the bank takes my money to pay the stupid store. Now here's Dash, like Superman. I'm going to pay, oh shit, my money into that store. Screw the damn bank. I got Dash superpower. I'm going to take the Dash, buy at the store, and Dash is going to throw the store a little vig. The store loves Dash. I love Dash. We all love Dash. The banks, we all hate. Am I right? Right? You go buy weed, you do can pay. Get out that app, put in the code, take a picture, see you later, right through the window. Look, I'll hold it up. Take a picture of my QR code. See ya. I just paid you. It's the future, baby. VeChain, Neo, Waves, Lisk, Decred, Zakilla, Theta, Qtum, Digibyte, run by miners. All these are unbelievable waves of the future, guys. Steam, Komodo, Tomo, Harmony, Sys, WAN, Loki. Loki's a good coin for mining with graphics cards. Loki, mining some Loki right here. Mining some Loki. Trade and communicate in absolute freedom. What is Loki? A privacy network which allows users to transact and communicate privately over the internet, providing a suite of tools to help maintain maximum anonymity possible while browsing and transacting online. So guys, when you go, you know how you go look at something and then you got the ads all over the internet and everything because they know what you're looking at, and there's no privacy, man. I hate that. And then I'm showing my show and stuff, showing you Google, and it's showing you that I'm looking at, thank God I'm looking at good stuff and I'm not looking at crazy stuff. I'd be flipping. I'd be like, oh my gosh, dude, look at all that. Look what he looks at. But it's all golf stuff and shit. So Loki, service nodes right here, do the heavy lifting right here on the service nodes. Let me show you Loki. The Loki net right here. Mining on the Loke. Yeah, all great things you need to know about, guys. Mining, Loki, all that stuff. So stocks are okay, but the coins, they're the future, man. They're the future. They're the future. Hey, Mike, you joined? Yep, Mike Valadez joined. Oh yeah, you already requested Google Sheet access. Yeah, baby. I'll give you access to that right now. Who else is joining? Smart move, Mike. Get you in the day trading room too. Giving you both subscriptions, brother. you'll be how about you'll be salad? Nah. How about we need a good Valadez? Trader Valadez? You like that? You can't be pro trader Mike. That's me, brother. We can make you, let's see what we got. Yep, we'll just use your last name. Valadez. Valadez. Dude, you're going to be in the day trading room with me tomorrow and trade, brother. Nice. Can't wait. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. You know, the average person that joins with me stays for over 3 to 5 years. You become a master trader after 3 years. We'll make your all your information in your is in your email, bro. You got to sign up for the course. I give you only the day trading course. You only get one course unless because you didn't do that. Let me see which one you did. Big Mike signed up. You did the swing trade. You got the swing trade newsletter. So I'm giving you both. Swing trade and the day trade room. So you want to pop into the day trade room? All the power to you, brother. Giving you both. You got the BOGO. That's what kind of guy I am. I ain't no dumbass. Mike's ain't no dumbass. New user. There you go. Make sure I got that spelled correctly. See, dude, you get registered. I take time out right in my show. I get you signed up. Dude, you're done. Registered for everything. Now you got to do is do the course, and I get you loaded up. I'm streaming right now. You don't mind? Can you please take a look at my watch list? Let's see what he does. This is the guy, my Casey. You're the one, baby. Let's take a look at Casey stocks. I won't share your email, brother. Here's his picks for the week. We're testing out some new guys, who have picks. Let's see what kind of picks they got. View results of my contest winnings. I won $147 in DraftKings. They just sent me an email. Gotta love that. No way. I got another guy, Sean, that just joined. Ho, tonight's my lucky night. No, it's not. It's your lucky nights, guys. Oh, my goodness gracious. Sean, you get both courses, bro. You did the combo pack. You're pro trader, Sean. Done. Check your email. I just sent it to you. Welcome aboard, brother. All right. Let's get back to the swing picks. Do. All right, so you're pro trader Sean. Welcome, brother. Dude, if you're a golfer, you're going to love that. I've got several guys that are professional golfers, and I've been able to express to them that no matter where they are, traveling in the hotel, in between tournaments, they can do some really good trading with the Mojo. Thanks, Sean. I got it. Check your email. They can do some really good trading with the Mojo. So I got some professional golfers, guys, because golfers do 5 times better, like myself, at trading. You got the patience, you got the data, you're methodical. Once it works, you know how to stick with it. All right, let's see what you got. API, entry at 42 with a stop. of $7.33 with a target of 20. That doesn't make any sense, brother. Entry at 42 with a stop lose of $7. Entry at 21 with a stop loss of $2. Price target of $14.50. What are you betting for it to go lower? AMD entry at 70. Target of 76. Okay, you want that one to go high? It's a terrible fucking pick. BIBB 270 with a stop loss of 2. You'll be probably the spread is 2 points, brother. So that one's probably whacked. ALXN at $100. That's a Heinz, bro. Is it a 99 or is it 100? Stop loss of $1.66 is probably freaking the spread. Price target at 9. Oh, you going against Heinz? No. Shill 17.50 with a price target of 16. Stop loss of 50 to make a buck? Nah. VXRT entry at 11.50 with a price target down of 7. I'm not a shorter, bro. Sorry. That's how that guy lost. Betting short and all kinds of shit. Dude, I got longs. That's it. You see my longs? That's it, bro. You've been giving me picks. You've been giving me picks. All of a sudden, you're short. You turn short. I don't like it. I don't like it. Here's the picks. Goes week by week. Month by month. Look on the bottom tab. May. April. It's been the best 3 months in the history of MOJO Day Trading. This month, we did a 33% gain average and 118 trades with an 87% win rate. Been freaking amazing. Amazing. Amazing picks. The highlight in that month, over 100%, was Dynatronics at 115 from 95 to 205. Guardian Health from 28 to 58 for 107. I'll take JDST. It went to 21 after that 13. 695 to 13. It went to 21. You know why? The 80% rule. In MOJO University, my course, I teach with learning boards. These are learning boards. Let me show you my 80% rule, my board. Now, if you follow this rule, you'll trade at 80%. You want to trade at 80% accuracy, meaning out of every 10 trades, you're right on 8 of them. Wouldn't that be nice? Here's the learning board. Now, as I would be, that we're all in MOJO University right now. We're in class. And I just popped up on the screen my learning board. Now let me teach you. In order to trade at 80% accuracy, you can put a sticky note on your frame of your monitor and follow these 2 rules. Rule number 1, the trend is your friend. AMD's been too friendly, too much risk. It is trending, good could go up, but it's too much. Trend is too friendly. Too friendly on that sucker. And the stocks in motion stay in motion. That's it. ONTY, see? Big ask. See down here, this picture? Down here at 9:47, time stamped. And then it's at 9:53. It went from 240 to 252 because it had a large number of shares that someone was selling on the ask. So when that happens, it's bullish. See this one right here? The big number at 201 on the bid. Someone wants to buy it. So in the past, I'd say, oh my gosh, check it out. It's 201. Someone wants to buy a big crap load of shares. Here's my opportunity. So I'll buy at 202. I'll sell it right at 201. There's so much size there. I'll sell it right there at 2. Let's say a penny on this wall. I'll lose 1 penny. Big deal. But I'm going to make, dude, this thing's going to rip. He's going to send that thing. The high was 215. It's already traded 17 million. I'm going to buy 10,000 shares, man. And then within minutes, it goes down to 178 and you're down $3,000. Because it hesitated 1 second at 201 and flushed right under 2 and you lost. Because you didn't see that had a big bid, which is bearish. And everyone out there in the land of shmurus that teach will show you the opposite. That a big bid is a buyer of bullish and a big seller is a bearish. I tell you right now, fact, hard tears. It took me 3 years and millions of dollars and blown up accounts to realize that. Every day I'd get stopped out and banged out because I would do that trade. 10,000 shares, I lose $3,000, done for the day. I'm like, oh my God, how could they do that to me? And it took me weeks and weeks, months and months of losing to realize that. And then one day I said, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to do the opposite. When that big ask is there, I'm going to buy that 10 and close my eyes and fucking pray. When I did and I looked up, I made money. I said, holy shit, no freaking way. So I did it again. And I did it again. And I did it again. And then I said, this is bull. I went and did the other one again and lost. You show me a teacher that proves me wrong. I'll give you 5 to 1 on the bet. I'll bet you I'm right. $1,000. I'll pay you 5. You pay me 1 if you could show me I'm wrong. I'll pay you 50. You pay me 10. That's the highest I'd go. Because anything else would be stupid above that. That's like a guy losing 300 grand. Oh, I'll bet you 100 grand. Dude, you're an idiot. You don't bet 100 grand on something like that. But I'm so damn positive I'm willing to risk the 5 to 1. There you go. Let's go. Show me that a big bid is bullish and a big ask is bearish. Go ahead. And then short against the trend and stocks in motion and see if you win. Who knows more than me? I'm a dumbass. Who knows more than me? I'm up against Dave Portnoy, bro. Me and the Dave. He's running for fucking president. Dude, he interviewed Trump 2 days ago. Look. Oh, he's playing golf. No way. Oh, he's not. I thought it was him. That's a nice course, elevated. Oh my God,
This might be the long drive hole, Mike. Remember. Hey boys, may the rest of your days be fairways and greens. Yes.
That's funny.
This might be the long drive
So
hole,
he
remember.
interviewed the president right here. Walter Cronkite of interviews, baby.
I'm sure you've been asked this. It's one of the questions that I had when I was thinking what I would ask you here. Because you, theoretically, for somebody like me who's sports, entertainment, having fun,
He tells me trades and shit now, too.
seemingly, and there's a part of me that's like, I wonder if he ever, I know the answer's going to be no regret.
So he talks about trading and shit, right? So I put it right out there because I saw an article that said Warren Buffett versus Dave Portnoy. So I put in me. Who would you rather run? Dude, I'm beating Dave, bro, on 280 votes. It's pretty good stuff. It's pretty good stuff, man. Because I know what the hell I'm talking about, dude. I know what I'm talking about. I know the only way to win is not to make money off other people. It's to make money off the research and the shit that I'm doing tonight. That's going to benefit all the people. God damn it. Makes me sick. Makes me sick. And then all they do is burn people and then go spend their money that they made on advertising to go get more sheeps. More sheeps. Stocks don't only go up, boys. Portney's down 50 grand on Amazon and 50 grand on Shopify. Betting the boat on the earnings on Amazon. You know what you gotta be doing that? Stupid and a dumbass. What, are you kidding me? Why don't you just freaking... This is him. I'm walking out of the freaking hotel, baby. Let's go jock through the casino. Let me throw some dice on the table on the way out and throw 5 G's down. I don't give no crap. I win. I'm a big shot king. Boom, boom. Who the hell does that, dude? Do you do that? I don't do that, dude. My wife would freaking kill me. I don't throw nothing in Amazon's earnings, bro. Let me see what happens after the earnings, and then I'll trade it. Like Tesla. Dude, you gotta be a lunatic to freaking trade earnings into Amazon. It's a death sentence. What are you gonna say? Oh, I was right. There you go. I was right and I made money. But if I'm wrong, it's gonna cost me $500,000. Oh my goodness, what are you kidding me? But just buy some options, bro. Throw 10 grand into some options. You're right. You make 150, 200. You could say, everyone, look how much sick money I made. And if you're wrong, you lost 10 grand. It's nothing. That's the craps. Not buying every dip of Amazon and freaking like Bezos is the godsend. Gosh. So between him and these other guys, dude, I can't even get no. I got 8 people watching me at least. I had $100,000 loss in a day. I did. But I got some friends to help me make some back. Made 50 and 100 grand in a day before. Never lost more though. Alright, that's about it with that. What else I got? Bitcoin. The room. Man, the MOJO Day Trade room. We'll be up tomorrow. Let me take a look at the futures are doing nothing. Oh, futures jumped. Holy crap. 115. No way. Dude, futures jumped 115. They was down earlier. I sent out the newsletter, bro. Right here. I got to add Sean to the swing. I'll forward you tonight's newsletter, dude. Add. I'll forward both of you guys the newsletter, Mike and Sean. Where is it? Did it go out yet? Yeah. Swing newsletter. Sunday. Here it is. Done. You guys got it. Nothing unbelievably special. Couple of good ones in there I like. Couple of good ones. Never heard of before. Absolutely. You've never heard of the picks that I have in tonight's newsletter. No one will. Unless they're next week's big winners. And then I'm going to say, look, I showed you last Sunday my 6 picks. One of them is an esports company. One of them is a high-performance manufacturer of injection systems for natural gas and biogas for the trucking industry. Another one develops therapeutics for treatment of cancers with unmet medical needs. And the next one is an Israeli developer of secure messaging and anti-spam. And the next one is a micro display viewer head monitor display for consumer and military and medical. There's a couple of good ones on there. With the futures up 115. Man. Awesomeness. Yeah, it's going to be a good day again tomorrow. So guys, come into the Mojo Day Trade Room. Hope you take advantage of my offer and website and what I got going on. And that's it. Done for Sunday evening. Ready for Monday morning. 9:42. Mojo's going to sleep like a baby. Get up. Check out the futures. Check out the market. Do my Mojo show in the morning with my scans. Probably like 8:30, 8:45. Probably 15 minutes late because everything I do is late with the dogs, the kids, and everything else. But peace. Keep it profitable, sleep well, and I'll see you in the morning on the Mojo Show. Make sure you subscribe because we be always on fire.